know how to.
About Preet. My first impression of Preet was full on baddie. She might be strong mentally, physically, and might ace all the tasks, but in reality, she gets riled up very easily, very low empathy towards other, low moral standards, irritating and dumb. Okay. What I saw today was she got totally angry and was telling Preet how sorry. Oh my god, Preet all the time in my mind, but sorry. What I saw today was she got totally angry and was telling people how Saurabh betrayed her very connection made by Kyra just to play games in Paisavilla, didn't choose her or didn't tell her that he won't perform with her. She also pointed at Niharika and said, इसकी तो हरकतें ही ऐसी हैं. Um, दूसरे के connection के साथ blah blah. She legit went on her character. She's definitely not a girl's girl. She's just another pick me who didn't get a chance. What if Ayush was still in Pyar Villa? What would she do? Oh my god. So I think first of all, let's start with Saurabh. If the question is about him from the first line. So there are like things जो नहीं दिखाते. अगर 90% का शो है तो तुम्हें बस 10% दिखा रहे हैं. That guy literally comes up to me, tells me, bro, I'm going to, not bro, yeah, कि I'm going to play with you. मैं तेरे साथ ही जीतूंगा, मैं तेरे साथ ही करूंगा. ये सब कैमरा के सामने नहीं था. So girls, reality of life कि अगर कोई तुम्हारे पास आ रहा है और तुम्हारे को promises कर रहा है और 2 मिनट बाद वो तुम्हारे पे flip कर रहा है तो तुम्हारा तो reaction निकलेगा ही. It's like that simple. And he just flipped on me like आफ्टर 2 days. तो इंसान क्या करे. अब मैं दिखती बैडी हूँ बट मैं हूँ एक पूकी. ठीक है. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू आई विल गेट अटैच. दैट्स मी. प्रॉमिसिंग एंड देन फ्लिपिंग ऑन मी, आई एम सॉरी. दैट्स लाइक नोबडी शुड डिजर्व दैट फॉर श्योर. और नेक्स्ट निहारिका की बात आई. मैं बोलूंगी उसकी हरकतें वैसी है क्योंकि पहले दिन से उसने गुल्लू के पीछे ट्राई किया. ओके फाइन. उसने आयुष को बोला ओ वी हैड द सेम टैटू इफ यू गाइस नोटिस. फिर सौरभ की बात आई. उस बंदी ने देखा था कि हम पैसे विला में मैं और सौरभ कैसे कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. We were like sitting together, talking together, like whatever. She saw it, and the next day, if she's a girl's girl और सौरभ उसके साथ आके connection कर रहा है, then girl's girl come up to me and tell me कि your connection is talking to me. Why not? You can do that if you are a girl's girl. Come on. तीसरा, if Ayush was still in Pyar Villa, what would she do? See, I am not scared of anybody in this world except my God. So the first thing, before leaving, before the pool party, मेरे और आयुष के बीच में काफी लड़ाइयाँ चल रही थी जो नहीं दिखाया गया. अगेन आई टोल्ड आयुष लेट्स सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. आई डोंट नो, डू यू थिंक वी शुड चेंज आवर कनेक्शन और व्हाटएवर, लेट्स एक्सप्लोर. तो उसने बोला चल ठीक है बात करेंगे. वो चल ठीक है बात में ही बात रुक गई. उसके बाद बात हुई ही नहीं बिकॉज दीज गाइज वेंट टू द अदर विला और समथिंग. तो बात नहीं हुई. बट आई थिंक अगर आयुष उस विला में होता शायद हमारी बात होती. अगर नहीं होती तो फिर भी मैं अपना कनेक्शन चेंज करती बिकॉज रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ अगेन, गर्ल्स डू नॉट सेटल for bare minimum even if it's like reality show or outside. So yeah, I think that's it. Oh, that's such a cute picture, guys. You wanna see? Look at that. Preet and Harshit are cute together, of course. I don't like Preet. I don't like Preet, but the fact that these two are so cute together and they have won each and every task, they perform together. I mean, Harshit is truly a green flag. The way he expresses feelings via pitch and every single little detail, I mean, cute, yeah. I know. He is very cute and we do look cute together. Of course, you have like tattoos and we do look very hot together. But why don't you like Preet? I mean, do you even know Preet personally? If you do, you would love her. So come, call me, meet me. I will still be the same inside the show or outside the show. I have never changed. And yeah, finally, after a lot of seeing people, noticing them, उनकी personality देख के वगैरह वगैरह, I started talking to Harshit. He was really by my side when Saurabh का thing happened. हम लोग छत में रात भर बात कर रहे हैं. I'm crying, this, that. I think there's a part of me that I don't want to show the world. And that's weak. Okay? I am like this because I want to show the world that I can go through everything alone and I will do it anyways. तो बात यही है कि after meeting him, हाँ हमने बहुत ही अच्छे से टास्क करा. You saw we are very 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 strong together and yeah, I think that's cute. I know Harshit is cute. We look cute, but at the end of the day, your question hurts me. Like I don't like Preet is sad. You should know Preet. You will actually love her. ठीक है? बाकी कोई ना. Yes, fine. The most genuine and underrated girl of Splitsvilla. I saw her many times. She was literally happy for everyone. Even today, she was so happy for Susie when she won the 50,000 split coin. Thank you. See, that's how you know. I only react to people who are reacting to me for no reason. I will not unnecessarily come in between a fight. I will not unnecessarily talk जहाँ मेरा stand मतलब लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. I will just talk when it's needed. It's as simple as that. Why do you have to like come up and talk in every situation when तुम्हारी बात ही नहीं है? हाँ, बट अगर यही मैं मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ हूँ और मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को कोई तीसरा आके बकवास कर रहा है उसके लिए, then you will see the bad side of me that I don't want to show. But yeah, I am like a happy person. I want to be happy for everyone. I want everyone to do good in their life. At the end of the day, we are all going to be gone from this world and we just have one chance. So be happy, spread happiness. That's all I want. Baki, do not poke me. If you poke me, then that might be bad for you. Baki, एक और बात कि अच्छे लोग ही अच्छे लोगों को देखते हैं. So, देखो मुझे अच्छी नजरों से मैं अच्छी ही दिखूंगी. I used to think Preet was super fit until I saw Niharika. Okay guys, this is like a very sensitive topic for me because it's about a battle that I have actually fought alone and I have come. I was super healthy like 2 years ago. I was like around 100 kgs. I fought it alone. It's not easy for someone who is that, healthy to do a lot of steps, eat less, go to workout, get an operation done. Like I don't have a gallbladder if you don't know. So yeah, get that operation done, get fit again, vagera. So that's a whole life that I am myself proud of. And I do not give a flying about what people think about me and my body because ask the people who are trying to change and who are changing. It's difficult. ठीक है? बाकी निहारिका, good, very good for her. She's doing great in her life, वगैरह. I don't have to talk about her. But yeah, I mean, I just want to say that to all the people who are trying to change themselves and trying to work on themselves, I mean, keep doing it. People's opinion does not matter as long as you're proud of yourself. That's it. And I am proud of myself because after all that fight, I'm still sitting here. I am on the TV. People are seeing me. People are knowing me. So yeah. To be honest, I find her features beautiful and I noticed it very late in the show. Also, she looks dominating in nature. Maybe these men like dominating women. Okay, funny, very cute. Thank you so much for calling me beautiful. Yes, I have worked a lot. I was not like this. A heartbreak can change you, take you ऊपर और एकदम पूरा नीचे गिरा के मसल देगा. दो चीजें हो सकती है. So girls, मसलने मत दो किसी को, ऊपर जाओ. Change for yourself. And of course, like I'm not like dominating in nature. People who know me, they know me. I'm such a pookie. This is just like a wall मेरे आगे कि मैं अपने आप को वैसे दिखाती हूँ कि लोग दो बारी सोचे मेरे से बात करने से पहले. I want to look intimidating so that people just cannot like walk over me. I will not give you the chance. But वैसे अगर मेरा वो जो वॉल है वो टूट गया फिर तो तुम्हें सिर्फ मैं प्यार ही बरसाऊंगी. Like I am like that. ठीक है, तो कभी कभी do not judge a book by its cover. Open it and read it. I think you will like the story better. Did anyone else cringe hard at how Preet reacted when they won, or was it just me? Her body language was so wannabe, making yo-yo gestures with her hands and saying सिर्फ मेरा बंदा कर सकता है. But jokes apart, no hate to her, just felt cringe. Okay, very funny topic, but I'll tell you, I found cringe myself because I'm not like that. सारे जो प्रोड्यूसर मेरी वीडियो ले रही थी, she was like, be a little more sassy, be a little more girly. You're like, तुम ऐसे बनो तो you will see that you're all like girly and all that. मैं बोला चलो ठीक है, मैं ट्राई करती हूँ बनने का. So I was like, yeah, my boy was like, he's like so cute और मेरा बंदा ही कर सकता है. But no guys, I'm not like, do not talk like that. तो सच बताओ माँ की कसम, ये जो वीडियो थी ये देख के मैं भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा हंसी हूँ. मुझे इतना क्रिंज हुआ है अपने आप को देख के कि ठीक है बट इतनी एक्टिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. इसलिए मैं एक्टिंग करती नहीं हूँ. मेरी एक्टिंग दिख जाएगी कि मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ. सो मुझे भी अब दिमाग में आ रहा है वो वीडियो ना, मुझे बहुत ही अजीब लग रहा है. बट ठीक है, गुड. आई लाफ्ड इट on myself also, so it's okay. Baki, I was not trying to be, maybe I was trying to be a little wannabe, because क्या कर सकते हैं यार, क्या मैं ऐसी बात करते रहूं, क्या यार मेरा बंदा बढ़िया करता है, और ऐसे नहीं कर सकती ना, तो मुझे थोड़ा गर्ली बनना पड़ेगा. I have to be like, okay girl, that's not me, but not at all. Ugh. That's cringe. I know that's cringe. Preet is so pretty and strong. These small dick energy boys cannot handle it. Exactly. Boys और men में बहुत फर्क होता है. Girls, I'm telling you this. I am 26 years old. I have met many people in my life, and I have realized strong women do not need boys in her life. Girl might, but strong women do not need boys. They need men, and I be finding my man everywhere. I be finding my man on the show also, but I did not see. So yeah, thank you so much. I do not reciprocate small dick energy at all. I only like mature people around me who actually know what they're talking about. They are very sensible. They know how to handle a woman who is actually very strong, very opinionated. So girls, if you want to be a woman, do not fall for little boys. Get that right, huh? She feels like she will stoop down to any level to bully others when she doesn't get what she wants. Just a sore loser. I don't think I stooped down to any level to bully anyone on the show. I just gave back to what they were giving me, and that was very needed. चलो अगर मैं एक example देती हूँ, कोई भी लड़की ले लो, क्यों ना ले लो, वो बंदी जानती थी वो क्या कर रही है. आधे से ज्यादा लोग जानते थे वो क्या कर रहे हैं, बट मुझे दिख रहा था कि वो कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दे वांट टू बी सीन. अगर उनको मैं शीशा दिखा रही हूँ कि गर्ल यू एक्टिंग स्टूपिड, कि गर्ल यू आर डूइंग दिस जस्ट टू बी सीन, देन आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स बुलिंग. आई थिंक दैट्स ओपनिंग योर आईज, बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक हाउ यू बिहेविंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एनी पर्सन ऑन द शो या बाहर भी, कि कोई भी कुछ भी आके बोल रहा और मैं बोलूँ कोई बात नहीं, कैमरा के सामने बात करते हैं, कैमरा के सामने मैं तुम्हारे साथ एक्टिंग करूँ. नो, अगर कैमरा के पीछे भी मैंने बोला है उसको वापस, तो मैंने ही बोला है. कैमरा के सामने बोला है, so it was me. I was not two people at once. I was that one who was, I think, true to myself. At least I could like sleep peacefully thinking कि भाई आज मैंने एक्टिंग नहीं करी, मुझे एक्टिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. I just gave what people were giving me. But if it came out to you like that, I don't know what to tell you. I did not bully anyone like that. Okay, let me put this. So I was a child who was very healthy all my life. ठीक है? I have actually seen what bullying actually is. ठीक है? I used to come back home crying कि mom this happened. So I don't think I would ever give that hate or that kind of hurt to anybody. That's just not me, because I know karma is a bitch and it will come and bite you. I'm scared of God, of course, and I would not do anything that might be coming back to me. But yes, if I have to answer this, I will just answer saying that I will just reciprocate the energy you give me. Other than that, it's all love. If I have love, I'll just give it to you. Next, in the Blue Balls challenge, Preet mentioned that she had a threesome. Okay, number 2, there were like 2 parts, okay? Niharika never said Preet had a threesome with Gullu and Yogesh. She only said she had something going on with both of them separately, which was pretty obvious if you actually watch the episode. Do not mix these two things up. So this question, I think ये मेरे लिए भी है और मेरे लिए नहीं भी है. ठीक है? In my Blue Balls challenge, that was a challenge. I had to say something that was a little, exciting, because of course it's a challenge. I just cannot go and say that, oh my god, I did not do anything in life. And I am proudly saying that, yeah, अगर मैंने किया है. तुम दुखी हो के घर पे बैठो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मे भी तुम शायद कल मर जाओ, मैं तो मरूंगी आराम से भाई, सोच समझ के कि I did this, bro. Like, I would be talking to God. It's okay. You can just take me. I did a lot of fun things in my life. I'm wild. I'm crazy. I want to experience everything that is available in this world. And I don't think that's bad. I think there are so many people who might just have done it, done wilder things in life. So जाके I think उनसे भी बात करो. It's just not me. It's just not me who is talking. ठीक है, अगर मैंने बोला है सबके सामने बोला है. I'm not scared to literally not say my truth. I am here. Trust me. and it's a lot of fun that I'm doing in life. I have experienced a lot of things and I am blessed that I could. That's just it for that. Niharika said she had a thing with Yogesh. That is completely false. I don't know. I don't want to like even talk about it because if she wanted to give some tea, उसने टी के चक्कर में ऐसी बात करी, that was not even true. टी के चक्कर में उसने कुछ भी बोला है. या निहारिका was my friend. मैंने उसको ये बात बोली थी कि मैंने गुल्लू के साथ योगेश के साथ पार्टी करी है गोवा में and I know them from before. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ अरे सुन मैं शाहरुख खान के साथ पार्टी करने जा रही हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं उसके साथ कुछ कर रही हूँ और we had a thing or whatever. So yeah, whatever for that girl. Baki, of course, do not mix these two things. I had fun somewhere else and Yogesh and Gullu are my friends, so this is not the same thing. बाकी क्या बोलूं यार, तुम पीछे ही पड़ गए हो मेरे. अब मैं मजे ना करूं, छोटे से चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब के मर जाऊं, या मैं सिर्फ एक जॉब करूं और मैं आऊं खाऊं पीऊं और सो. No, I don't live like this. I want to have fun in my life and I would probably live like that even if I'm like 80 years old. So. And I also want my partner to have some fun in life, even if he's 80 years old. So you get that, no? So live and let live, guys, at the end of the day. I like Preet. I don't know. There's something about her that helps her stand out. Maybe her tattoos. I don't know. What? I don't know. Yeah, there is something about me that is called being true to myself that might be attractive to you because I've not been some other character in my life. Agar I am like this, I am like this. If I'm agitated, I am agitated. If I'm happy and I want to shout and tell you I love you, I will do that. So yeah, I think that's being true to yourself. And if you're talking about tattoos, yeah, my tattoos are like quite attractive. Okay? Let me tell you, I have 15 of them. Sare tattoos alag-alag jagah se maine बनाया है. One tattoo that is there, I regret a little bit because my ex and I had the same tattoo at the same place. Baki, it's all like and about my tattoos, I do not get any tattoo without a meaning. So all my tattoos have a meaning related to maybe that situation I was in, or maybe related to the, to my life. Okay? Just I'll tell you one example. So I was not very spiritual. Maybe like a year or 2 years ago, I was not that spiritual. So there were some things that happened in my life that changed me completely as a person. So this was something I got at that point, and it's written Ishwar Asti Mam Shakti. That means God is my strength in Sanskrit. So मान लो कि I was drowning, and after I actually realized that at the end of the day it's you and your God. He picked me up from my worst phase of life. This is dedicated to him. Okay, so this one more. Okay, this says Sarvastuni Karno Dhwani. That means everything happens for a reason in Sanskrit again. Wherever you are at this point in your life, मुझे लगता है तुम जहाँ पे भी हो, रो रहे हो, आज तुम्हारा हाथ टूट गया, पैर टूट गया, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, just remember, अगर ये आज तुम्हारे साथ हो रहा है, it is for a reason. Maybe 2 दिन बाद तुम्हें उससे भी बढ़िया हाथ लग जाए or something like that, I don't know, I'm just like giving an example. जैसे तुम्हारी आँख फूट गई, maybe कुछ होने वाला था इसलिए तुम्हारी आँख फूट गई, 2 दिन बाद तुम्हारी आँख ठीक हो जाए और तुम ठीक हो जाओ, maybe like that. So everything happens for a reason. So वैसे करके I have like 15 tattoos now. This I got very recently, like a week ago. So yeah, thank you. जो भी है, tattoos make me a little attractive and make me look intimidating like you were talking about. Because I don't wanna be naive and I am not. By the way, thanks for whatever. I love the way Preet presents herself. She really knows how to handle a beef. For sure. 100%. I know how to handle a beef. I would if a girl is like yelling at me और मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है, ठीक है, मेरा गुस्सा is like बहुत ज़्यादा कभी-कभी. अभी तो मैं बहुत शांत हो गई हूँ. I think it's because of the age. I think I'm growing old. अब मैं तुम्हें एक story बताती हूँ. Very, very fun story, ठीक है. So 2 days ago, I go to this party, having fun, drunk, dancing, like not giving a fuck about anybody. A girl comes up to me, like not comes up to me, but my friend, like my best friend, okay, tells her, who like got you inside this club? I'm like, wait, what? Say that again. Then she said it again. मैंने बोला भाई अब हो गया पार. Nothing. I just told her how the could you say this? And that girl, she got so annoyed, she kind of pushed me. And we got in a brawl. उसके साथ कोई बंदा था और हम बस 2 लड़कियां थी. That guy's pushing me. You see that mark? Yeah, that mark is from that brawl. My eye was this swollen. My teeth broke, and this happened 2 days ago, guys. I'm not even kidding. 2 days ago, I said nothing. आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल सी यू लेटर फॉर श्योर। बहुत तुझे रिग्रेट होगा बट अभी इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में कुछ भी नहीं। सो या you will just realize with time, with age, after experience, you would probably change as a person, and I am happy for wherever I am. I'm happy that I have become more mature in some situations that was needed in my life, because I have got into fights that I regret, and yeah, just that. I just want to say that experience will change you as a person. So live that experience so that you change for good, because nothing happens for bad. A girl can't lie to save her life. Her lies were so half-hearted. Even Kashish caught on. She didn't have the guts to deny it upfront. She kept going into long-winded explanations. Kashish told her bluntly that Niharika ने तो डंके के चोट पे बोला है कि प्रीत ने बताया था कि she hooked up with Rawat. It was like Preet was mentally calculating the chances that Niharika comes out with more details and Preet would look like a liar and Preet looked like a hypocrite. मैं निहारिका के लेवल की नहीं हूँ, मैं इतने नीचे नहीं गिर सकती। बोल बोल के सब बोल ही दिया निहारिका के बारे में। अरे बोलना था तो बोल देती अपफ्रंट, ये नाटक क्यों किया कि मैं इतनी चीप नहीं हूँ। गर्ल गेट ऑफ योर हाई हॉर्स, इफ यू वांटेड गिव पे बैक टू निहारिका, डू इट, डोंट गिव फालतू भाषण that makes you look two-faced. No one would criticize you if you wanted to clap back at Niharika, but then you need to get into the mud. Can't have your cake and eat it too. Okay, wow. Wow, ouch. Why don't you just like shoot me? Why do you have to like kill me slowly, guys? Like, come on. I am not scared of any Niharika or any Chucha in this world. Get that right. Second of all, अगर मुझे झूठ या रावत के बारे में या झूठ या कुछ भी बोलना ही था तो मैं दुनिया के सामने बोलती, जैसे मैंने अपने थ्रीसम और अपने गुल्लू के बारे में और अपने थ्रीसम के बारे में बात किया। Why would I like be all like अरे नहीं करा I mean just like get the maths guys, okay? मैं सीधा दुनिया के सामने ही बोलती, अगर मैं ये करा क्योंकि मैं डरती तो मैं किसी से भी नहीं हूँ, तो मैं ऐसे कर सकती थी। But if I have not done something and someone is coming up with the name जिसके साथ मैं सिर्फ like literally पार्टी ही करने गई हूँ, then that's not my problem, that's that girl's problem, because you are stooping down low to just give tea. She was my first friend on the show. I literally thought कि भाई I think I found the girl I can like open up to and everything. 3 days before the show we were staying in that hotel. I told her that गुल्लू के साथ मेरा सीन था, रावत के साथ we were just having fun, and रावत गुल्लू we were all there in Goa having fun and shit. So yeah, I don't think like, and if you talk about hypocrisy, ठीक है, I might call myself that for that level because I have a patience level and that's that small. If someone is telling me उसने डंके के चोट पे बोला है तो बोला है क्योंकि बोला ही होगा क्योंकि उसको टी देना और वो एक्ट्रेस है, उसको एक्टिंग आती है, उसने कर दी, तुमने मान लिया, उसने बनाया तुम्हारा, तुम बन गए, as simple as that. मैं किसी का नहीं बना रही. I am like literally a person who stands on her fucking words and that's just me. Hypocrisy की बात आते तो okay, if you saw it like that, you saw it like that. I will talk about, see again, I will give the same energy that you're giving me. I am not going to keep quiet for no reason. अगर उस बंदी ने मेरे बारे में बोला out of nowhere, वो कुछ भी बोल सकती थी. She wanted clout, she wanted drama, she did it. So yeah, why wouldn't I? Why would I like keep quiet? I just said what I had to say. अगर उसके किसी शादीशुदा बंदे के साथ सीन था तो मैंने बोला था. Why? Is she like crying about it or something? Now she does not have anything to say. Guys, इस बारे में like this is literally something that is very like small for me. I do not care who someone like what someone talks about me. अगर तुम मुझे एक चीज पे डाल रहे हो जो मेरी है ही नहीं तो मैं वो चीज तुम्हें वापस लाके तो दूंगी ही as a return gift. So you might just take it. That's good for you. Looks like MTV Instagram followers के हिसाब से screen time दे रहा है because I think Preet is genuinely kinda underrated. किसी ने तो सच्चाई निकाली, किसी ने तो सच बोला. Come on, we need to talk about that. 50 दिन में थी शो में. मैंने अपने तरीके से वो गेम खेली. जहाँ मुझे बात करने की जरूरत थी मैंने बात करी, नहीं करनी थी मैंने नहीं करी. That's just me and that's just how I live my life. बाकी मैं सबके लिए खुश थी. निहारिका जीत रही है उसके लिए, सुजैन जीत रही है उसके लिए, क्यों ना जीत रही है उसके लिए. तुमने देखा नहीं देखा I don't know. But हाँ, बाकी the whole show was only behind the people who've done it already. Actually, हम मे बी जस्ट ऐसे ही थे कि वो ला रहे हैं, मे बी ऐसे खिलवा दो. बहुत ऐसे इंस्टेंसेस हुए हैं जहाँ पे मुझे मे बी गेम से निकाल, मतलब एक अगर टास्क चल रहा है उस बीच से निकाल दिया गया बिकॉज the one person who's already done a show और जिसके followers हैं वो task वो कर नहीं पा रही because I'm just stopping on ये might be a tea guys that I'm giving you but ऐसा हुआ है. So उस टाइम मुझे समझ आ गया it's of no use if you're a nice person, if you are strong, if you are a lovable person, no one gives a fuck about it. At the end of the day it's just तुम्हारे followers, it's just तुम ये already करके आए हो, it's just how you know to act. And in reality also guys मतलब अगर मैं ये चीज़ मैं मानती हूँ कि अच्छे लोग बहुत धीरे धीरे आगे पहुँचते हैं. जो बहुत चालाक होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग जिन पे होता है वो जल्दी भाग के पहुँचते हैं. So that's the difference and that's what I think MTV showed. I am kind of disappointed but it's okay. Like as long as I am on the show, I feel blessed that I did come so far. It's okay. बाकी दिखाना तो उनको ही दिखाया जो ऑलरेडी दिखते हैं. उनको मौका नहीं दिया जो अपने आप को दिखा सकते हैं better than them maybe. Thanks bro. Thanks for this comment. I think literally शो में जो लोग उस बैकग्राउंड से नहीं आए हैं वो समझ पाएंगे ये. They might just relate. और जैसे अगर आगे भी एक नॉर्मल इंसान को जिसको टीवी से कोई लेना देना नहीं था, जो अपना बढ़िया 9 to 5 कर रही थी, काम पे जा रही थी, आ रही थी, जिम कर रही थी, वो सब, अगर तुम्हें स्प्लिट्सविला जाना है या किसी भी रियलिटी शो में तो गाइस बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस. बी प्रिपेयर दैट यू आर नॉट समबडी दैट मतलब जो लोग तुम्हें जानते हैं, तुम्हें जनवाना होगा लोगों को अपने आप को and then you might be just there in that level. Sad, very sad. So yeah, I think as that's done. That's cute. That was fine. फन. बहुत ही थोड़े आउच वाले क्वेश्चंस भी थे बट बाकी सच तो निकलना ही था आज या कल. बाकी सच तो निकलेगा ही किसी का भी हो आज या कल. Guys, at the end of the day, have fun in life. Please have fun in life because I have been to situations where मैंने सोच लिया था that this is the end. I think I'm just not going to live or something. But then I picked myself out of that and I just believe in having fun, being humble, loving people for who they are. But, big but, do not forget कि जो एनर्जी तुम्हें इंसान दे रहा है तुम वही दो. लोगों को अपने ऊपर चल के जाने मत दो. I think that's the thought of the day. Yeah, that's it. So are we done? .media. That's done. I am done. There you go. I had fun. See you.